Hello dear children, welcome to today's EVS class. Dear children, today we are going to learn about another new topic, being safe. Lesson number 12, being safe. Dear children, in this topic we learn about safety. Okay, first we go to warm up. Draw a sad face if you do not feel safe. Draw a happy face if you feel safe. Look here children, this one is sad face. This one is happy face. Got it? First we go to number 1. You get lost in the dark street. What happened? If we lost in the dark street, did we happy? No, we became sad, isn't it? So, here you draw the sad face. Sad face, okay. Second one, you have to cross a busy road. Did you happy? No, we become sad, isn't it? So, sad face. Third one, you walk into a spider web. When we walk into the spider web, did we happy? No. So, here also sad face. Fourth one, you get lost in the shopping mall. When we lost in the shopping mall, did we happy? No, we became sad, isn't it? So, here also sad face. Fifth one, you missed your school bus to home. Of course, when we miss our school bus, we become sad, isn't it? So, here also sad face. These are all sad face, isn't it? Okay, children. Now we go to being safe. Safety means to keep oneself away from any kind of danger. We must always follow the safety rules wherever we go, at home, in the playground, at school, or anywhere else. The children, safety means keep away from the danger. Keep away oneself from any kind of danger or protect ourselves from any harm. Safety means protect ourselves from any harm. Got it? The children, when we become safe, if we follow some safety rules at home, in the playground or school, on the road, when we follow some safety rules, we become safe. If everyone follow these safety rules, there will be a very few accidents. And we are all safe. Isn't it? We all will be safe. So, we must follow the safety rules is very important. Got it, children? Okay, children. Now we go to learn about what are the rules we must follow at home. First one, do not open door if your house to strangers. Do not open doors if your house to strangers. Dear children, if any stranger come your house, never open the door. First you tell your parents and take the permission. Then only you open the door. Got it, children? Don't open the door for stranger. Got it? Next, second one. Always take permission if your elders before going out of the house. Always take permission of your elders. When you want to go outside of the home, first you take the permission of your parents or your elders. Then only you go outside. Okay. Next, third one. Do not leave your toys, school bag, etc. on the floor. You may fall over them and get hurt. Dear children, sometimes you leave your school bags and toys on the floor, isn't it? So this is not the good way, because if you leave the any toys or bag books on the floor, there may be a chance to fall over them and get hurt, isn't it? Sometimes you or sometimes your elders, there's a chance to fall over them and they get hurt, isn't it? So you keep your school bag, toys or book in the particular place. Okay. Next, do not play with sharp object and electrical switches. Dear children, the sharp object like knives, blades and scissors, pin, these are all sharp object, isn't it? If we use the sharp object, there will be a chance to we get hurt. So don't use any sharp object. And electrical switches. Dear children, electricity is a very useful to us, isn't it? But they dangerous also. So we have to be very careful while using them. Never play with electrical wire, switches, sockets, etc. Because we get an electrical shock. There may be a chance of we get an electrical shock. Got it, children? So don't play with electrical switches and any electrical object. Got it? Next, keep away from the fire and do not play with the matchsticks and matchbox. Dear children, fire is very useful to us, but it has dangers also. So don't play with fire. There will be a chance to burning. Got it, children? There will be a chance to burning our hands, our body. So don't play with fire and matchsticks and firecracker also. It is also dangerous one. Got it, children? Next, never run on the staircase. Don't run on the staircase, because what happened? If you run on the staircase, there will be fall down. You get injury. There is a chance to you get injury. So don't run on the staircase. Got it, children? Okay. Let me learn about this safety on the road. Safety rules on the road. First one, always walk on the pavement. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. Dear children, where we walk on the road? We walk on the pavement. Pavement means footpath. We must use the footpath on the road when we walk. Okay. Cross the road only at the zebra crossing. What is zebra crossing? See here, children. This is known as zebra crossing. You are already seen this type of road on this type of patches on the road, isn't it? This is known as zebra crossing. Got it? We always cross the road only at this zebra crossing. This one is safe. Got it? Next, wait for the walk signal to turn green before crossing the road. Dear children, did you know the traffic signals, traffic light? There is 3 traffic lights. Red light, yellow light and green light. You already studied in the first standard. Red light indicate what? Red light indicates stop, isn't it? Yellow light indicate Wait. Green light indicate green. Green light indicate go. Isn't it? This is a traffic lights. When the green light is on the traffic, then only we cross the road. We walk or cross the road. Got it, children? Next. Cross the road with an elder. When you want to cross the road, you take your parents' help, your elders' help. Okay. Next. Do not play or run on the road. It is very dangerous, children. If you run on the road, it is very dangerous. Don't run on the road because the vehicles are going on the road, isn't it? If you run on the road, there will be a chance to accident. So don't run on the road. Never run on the road. Got it, children? Okay, children. This is enough for today.